Pity it's so grey.
Yeah, it's busy.
Lights. Or we can make our way maybe down the side streets down to Jervis or something. It's nice to get a bit of air. Yeah. It's like a big bowl full of water and coffee flavourings. Yeah. In Spain, Portugal, you get a small cup of coffee and you get the full flavour. You know? Oh yeah, there's the Grand Social there. Get the name off it, did it? Is it changed, so? Or skip? So it's not a pub anymore? Yeah, but it's Well Woman Centre. That's not. There's no way that's
no pub anymore, yeah?
Yeah. Jesus. Another pub gone. The weather's so fucking dark. Irish weather, man. Yeah, that's what it is.